Welcome back to NoticeGT. And today we start off with an absolute legend. A man in the Czech Republic took his F1 car on the motorway. Ta-da! That man needed some milk. And you know what's the insane part? Is that if he got caught and arrested, the fine is only $421. That's what Andrew Tate's talking about when he says freedom. Now, from an absolute brilliant idea to a horrible idea, Discount Tire has decided to start installing robo tires, which will remove and install the wheel assemblies by themselves. Now, I know new techs are hard to come by, but I know some people that work at Discount Tire. I'm telling you right now, that robot is going to be an automatic beer dispenser and a back scratcher. That's about it. Honestly, if you don't trust a robot to wipe your ass, don't trust it with your car. Unless it's electric, in which case, have fun. Now, let's talk about a man that didn't have so much fun. James May. Did I say man? I mean baboon. He recently had an accident into a wall at 75 miles an hour. Now, I'm assuming he forgot his left from his right and just went straight. And the car he wrecked was an Evo 8. Now, Richard Hammond crashed a multi-million-dollar hypercar. The best you can do is an Evo 8. But I mean, to be fair and to be honest, he was hurt. He did have some broken bones. He did have a brain scan, which did come back empty. And I'm assuming and I'm sure that Richard Hammond and Jeremy Clarkson were both saddened to see him leave. Now, speaking of good news, F1 is going to have two new members, Audi and Porsche. So Audi, as I'm sure everyone knows, is slowly buying up Alfa Romeo, and they're going to transform the team over the next coming years. Porsche has just trademarked something called F1 Nally, just like that. And I'm assuming that they're going to be the new engine supplier for Red Bull, because Honda will no longer be supplying after 2026, because 2026 is a lot of regulation changes and all F1 cars must run on synthetic fuel. And if you don't know, check out the channel. Porsche is very interested in synthetic fuels. And I'm sure, as all you know, technology trickles down from F1, so hopefully this is the salvation of the exhaust note. Because as Dodge has shown us, ain't shit we can do about that. Now, speaking of having a soul, do you need to take a shit? Because a man in India has a solution for you. He has decided to install a toilet onto the back of his car. Like inside the trunk, there's a toilet. Check it out.
Oh man. Yes.
What I love is that the title and thumbnail are in English, but the video's in Hindi. Like, oh, come on, man. I just couldn't figure out where the shit goes after you're done, because please don't tell me it just falls to the ground, because like, this is India, okay? People ride around in bikes. Bikes don't exactly protect you from the elements. And I don't think they make shit-proof helmets yet. Regardless of where the shit goes, if you gotta go, you gotta go. My only request is that I'm the driver, because God would I have fucking fun. That is it for today. If you guys liked, please subscribe and join the ride. Please like. I don't really care if you comment, but peace.